Today I will show you that how can you sign up or create a WeChat account on your device. Firstly, you will have to install the WeChat app from the App Store or Play Store. So you have to install that. And now after you install that, you have to open that application. So simply open. Alright, so after opening the app, you will got such interface. So from here, you will have to go the option sign up. So it will appear on the bottom right corner of the screen. So simply tap on it. And now from here you can sign up by mobile or you can sign up through your Facebook. So simply you can choose it from here. So right now I'm choosing the mobile. Okay, so from here you will have to give your name, country, region. From here you can select your country and your phone number, and you have to enter the password to create an account on WeChat. So after you done this, you'll have to check on this. I have read and accept the WeChat terms and service, so you have to check it from here. And after you done that, you'll have to click on that accept and continue button for creating the WeChat account on your device. So this is the easiest and simplest method to create WeChat account on your device. Hope you like this video, and please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.